case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2005 case, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the case of Preston v. Wisconsin Health Fund, which focused on the requirements for proving discrimination and suing a company officer for interfering with an employee's contract. J. Preston, a dentist, alleged that his former employer violated Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 by replacing him based on his sex. Additionally, Preston claimed that the CEO, Bruce Trojak, conspired with Linda Hamilton to end his contract, violating Wisconsin's common law of tortious interference with a contract. The district court granted summary judgment for the defendants, which Preston appealed. The underlying situation involved the fund's dental clinic losing $1 million under Preston's leadership, and Trojak replacing him with Hamilton, who was younger and less qualified. Rumors of an affair between Hamilton and Trojak circulated. Despite these issues, the court held that Preston's claims for sex discrimination and tortious interference were invalid, and affirmed the district court's grant of summary judgment for the defendants.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.